At the moment of death, your deepest thoughts shape your next life. Your state of mind at death decides your next birth.
Whereas the lion is chasing me! No. The old man. He now freezes on his bed. His eyes dart left and right. So cold. The dream, it's coming true.
Where am I? Who am I? I was human. How did I become a rabbit?
Hare Krishna. In this video, we see that an old man who is in his deathbed dies and gets a birth of a rabbit, and he's astonished. And he asks, "Oh gosh, I was a human. How did I become a rabbit?" So this question is answered by Lord Krishna and Gita. In verse 2.12, he says, "Boss, you are a soul, not a body. Body is just a cloth, the clothing that you wear, which when gets old has to be discarded, and you're given a new birth, new soul, rather new cloth, so that you carry on. You carry on with your wishes, your desires, your fears, your ego, the satisfaction of these three factors. And you're given a new birth, and you're controlled by three gunas, Rajaguna, Sataguna, Tamoguna. But they control you by three forces: ego, desire, your wishes, and your fear. And in this particular video, we see that this particular old man dies, and when he is on his deathbed, he is having a fearful dream. And in this particular dream, he is so scared that he wants to have some protection. His sole objective at that particular time is to remain secure, to feel safe. And that is where he gets into a shallow pit, to protect himself from the challenges of life, which are represented by the lion. And when he gets into the shallow pit, he feels himself secure. And then God transforms him into a rabbit. He dies with the want of feeling secure. And God gives him what? He gives him the birth in the shallow pit, wherein he is protected by the earth, by the dark environment. He feels secure. Whether it is or it is not is a secondary thing, but he himself is feeling secure. So it is his feeling which guides him and directs him to the next life. That is what God says in the verse 2.12. You are eternal, you are a soul. So when he says, Na tu eva aham jatu nasam, na tvam ne me janadiva, na cha eva na bhavishya maha sarve vyam ataha param. Meaning, neither you nor I, nor the kings who were present on the battlefield of Mahabharata would ever die. We are souls, we are eternal. Na cha eva na bhavishya maha, meaning neither now nor in the future. Sarve vyam ataha param. All the souls are eternal. We are all eternal. So, we should remember that particular thing. So these are our feelings which guide us. These are the feelings which direct our lives. So we should be strong. We should always remain strong. Then he goes